Okay, I'm hoping that you worked on 23 on your own. If you did not, you should have. I didn't do this just so I would do your homework for you. I'm hoping that you're able to participate and learn. Number 23 is tricky. Manganese is a transition metal, so we don't really know its charge. But we can find its charge based on this. I find on my periodic table that ClO4 is a -1. So I know there's a 1 here, and this 4 will tell me that manganese is a +4. Alright, we've always taken the charges above, like previously on 22. We took the 1 and put it there, and the 2 and put it there. Well, we can certainly go the other direction. We could take this and put it there, and that and put it there, and that's pretty ugly, but it works. So I know Mn is a +4 here. Alright, I'm going to look at my rules real quick. It says that this is a decomposition. It's one thing breaking apart. This is manganese 4 perchlorate, so it's a metallic chlorate, letter C. When they heated, they decomposed into metallic chlorides. So I'm going to take the metal, which was Mn, and a chloride means just Cl. Alright, plus the other rule says it is oxygen. So decomposed into metallic chlorides and oxygen. Alright, so O2. Now I have to balance. Alright, well, sorry, I need to balance the charges first. Remember, Mn is a +4. Cl is a -1. I'm going to switch them. MnCl4. Now I need to balance. I come over here. The ClO4 ion has broken apart, so I cannot treat it as one thing. I need to balance everything separately. So I need to obviously balance the oxygens. I have 4 of everything in these parentheses. So I have 4 4s, or 16 oxygens. Whatever I put here will be doubled, so I need to put in 8. 8 times 2 is 16. This 4 also meant there was 4 chlorines. I have 4 chlorines. Remember, this 4 does not go to Mn. Alright? It only is for the things in the parentheses. Alright, so if I had 4, I have 4, I have 1, I have 1. I have 1, 1, 8, and I'm done. Alright, let's look at 24. We'll be pretty close to the last type of reaction we need to worry about. Alright. What am I doing? Alright, that's what I'm looking for. 24 is going to fit a different pattern. Let's see if I can get this down. Alright, 24. We're still going to look at our predicting types of chemical reactions. This time I have a lone element, aluminum, plus, plus some sort of compound. Alright, let's find out what that matches. Okay, so it's not composition or decomposition. We're 2 formed 1 or more 1 formed 2. So I skip down to single replacement that shows a lone element reacting with a compound to form a new compound plus another or different lone element. 24 seems to match that first half of that pattern. So let's go ahead and do that. This is a single replacement. I never finished, that was decom. Alright, from our picture, we'll just notice that T replaces R, or the first things just switch places. So aluminum is going to replace copper, and copper is going to come out on its own. So I'm going to take aluminum, and it's going to be with the NO3 now, and copper is going to be alone. As always, balance charges, +3, -1, AlNO3, 3, plus copper. If I have a 3 and a 2, I swap a root. That 2 made 2 aluminums. I'm going to put a 2 there. That 3 here made 3 coppers. I put a 3 here, and I'm done. Try number 25 out.